Imagine a country where every cobblestone street tells a story. Every region offers a feast for the senses, and every sunset feels like a work of art. Welcome to Italy, a land where history, culture, and nature come together in ways that feel almost magical. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the sun-drenched shores of Puglia, this is not just a destination, it's a dream come to life. But Italy is more than its famous landmarks. While Rome, Venice, and Florence are awe-inspiring, the true charm lies in its hidden corners. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to explore villages untouched by time, taste recipes passed down through generations, or stand on cliffsides that seem to stretch endlessly into the horizon? That's the Italy we're uncovering today. Stay with us till the end of this video, and you'll discover a secret destination that combines breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and culinary wonders, one that even many locals don't know about. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, are you ready to embark on a journey through Italy's hidden gems? Let's dive into the heart of this enchanting country and uncover its best-kept secrets. The adventure begins now. Historical hidden gems. Italy is often described as a living museum, but beyond the grandeur of Rome and Florence, there are stories hidden in its lesser-known corners. Places where time stands still, and every stone whispers secrets of the past. Let's start with Civita di Bagnoregio, a hilltop village often called the Dying City. Perched atop a crumbling volcanic cliff in the Lazio region, it's accessible only by a pedestrian bridge. This ancient town dates back to Etruscan times and offers winding alleys, breathtaking views, and a sense of serenity rarely found elsewhere. Wander its cobblestone streets and feel like you've stepped back in time. Next, journey to Matera, a city carved into stone in southern Italy's Basilicata region. Its iconic Sassi ancient cave dwellings, transformed into homes, churches, and boutique hotels, are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Fun fact, Matera's unique landscape has been the backdrop for many films, including the James Bond movie No Time to Die. This place is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity, with history etched into every corner. Finally, let's uncover Ravenna, the mosaic capital of the world. Once the capital of the Western Roman Empire, this city in Emilia-Romagna houses 8 UNESCO-recognized monuments, adorned with stunning Byzantine mosaics. Step into the Basilica of San Vitale, and you'll be dazzled by intricate gold and emerald designs that have survived for over 1,500 years. These hidden historical gems show that Italy's past isn't just confined to museums. It's alive in its architecture, its people, and its landscapes, waiting for you to explore. Scenic beauty and adventures. Italy's natural beauty is as diverse as it is enchanting. While many flock to the Amalfi Coast, there are equally mesmerizing spots that offer tranquility and breathtaking views far from the crowds. Begin with the Prosecco Hills in Veneto, a rolling landscape of vineyards, quaint villages, and winding roads. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, these hills are the birthplace of Prosecco wine. Picture yourself sipping a glass of bubbly while overlooking a patchwork of emerald fields and golden sunsets. Next, explore the Aeolian Islands, a volcanic archipelago off the coast of Sicily. These 7 islands are a paradise for adventure seekers. From hiking up the active volcano on Stromboli to snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of Panarea, each island offers a unique blend of rugged beauty and Mediterranean charm. Don't miss Lipari's picturesque harbor or the black sand beaches of Vulcano. Finally, escape to Gran Paradiso National Park in the Aosta Valley, Italy's oldest national park. Nestled in the Alps, it's a haven for hikers, wildlife enthusiasts, and anyone seeking peace amidst towering peaks. Spot ibex, graze in alpine meadows, hike trails that lead to turquoise glacial lakes, or simply breathe in the crisp mountain air. Italy's hidden scenic treasures prove that this country isn't just a feast for the eyes. It's a playground for the soul, where every view invites adventure and every path leads to wonder. Italian cuisine and local flavors. Italian food is loved around the globe, but the best-kept culinary secrets lie in the hidden gems of Italy, where every dish tells a story and every flavor is a celebration of tradition. Let's begin in Emilia-Romagna, often called Italy's food capital. While Bologna is famous for its pasta, venture a bit further to Modena and discover the magic of traditional balsamic vinegar. Unlike anything you'll find in stores, this liquid gold is aged for decades in wooden barrels, resulting in a rich, complex flavor that transforms every dish it touches. Pair it with Parmigiano Reggiano, another local specialty, and you'll experience the true essence of this region's culinary pride. In Alba, located in the Piedmont region, you'll find a treasure trove for truffle enthusiasts. This small town is known as the white truffle capital of the world. During autumn, Alba hosts a renowned truffle festival where you can savor the earthy aroma and flavor of these culinary diamonds. Whether shaved over pasta, risotto, or eggs, it's a gastronomic experience you'll never forget. Travel south to Puglia, where the cuisine reflects its sunny landscapes and coastal charm. Here, orecchiette pasta, shaped like little ears, is often served with fresh broccoli rabe or rich tomato sauce. Don't forget to try burrata, a creamy cheese that's a hallmark of the region. Pair it with Puglia's robust olive oil and freshly baked bread for a meal as simple as it is unforgettable. Finally, in Sicily, culinary influences from Greek, Arab, and Spanish cultures come alive. Savor arancini, crispy rice balls filled with ragu or mozzarella, or try cannoli, Sicily's signature dessert filled with sweet ricotta. For seafood lovers, don't miss pasta alla norma or swordfish steaks grilled to perfection. These local flavors are more than food. They're a window into the heart of Italy, offering a connection to its land, people, and culture with every bite. Unique cultural experiences. Italy's rich tapestry of culture extends far beyond its well-known cities. In the quieter corners of the country, you'll find traditions, festivals, and crafts that keep its soul alive. Start with the Palio di Siena, a centuries-old horse race that takes place twice a year in the heart of Tuscany. This isn't just a race, it's a fiercely competitive event where neighborhoods or contrade vie for glory. The energy in Piazza del Campo during the Palio is electric, a blend of tradition, rivalry, and celebration. In the region of Veneto, discover the art of Venetian mask making. These intricate masks, central to Venice's carnival, are handcrafted by artisans who have preserved this craft for generations. Visit a workshop to see how they're made and learn the stories behind their designs. Further south in Naples, immerse yourself in the lively art of Neapolitan music. The soulful melodies of traditional songs, such as O Sole Mio, echo through the narrow streets and vibrant squares. Combine this with a visit to a local pizzeria for an authentic taste of margherita pizza, the dish that put Naples on the culinary map. Finally, head to Sardinia, where ancient Nuragic ruins tell the story of a civilization that thrived over 3,000 years ago. Attend a traditional Sardinian festival, like the Feast of Sant'Efisio, and watch as locals don elaborate costumes, perform folk dances, and honor their history with pride. These cultural experiences showcase the diverse heritage of Italy, offering visitors a chance to connect deeply with its traditions and the warm hospitality of its people. Hidden natural wonders. Italy's natural beauty is legendary, but some of its most spectacular landscapes remain hidden, waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten path. Let's begin in Cala Golorizze, a secluded beach on the island of Sardinia. Accessible only by boat or a scenic hike, this pristine cove is famed for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, dramatic limestone cliffs, and a natural stone arch rising from the sea. It's a paradise for swimmers, climbers, and anyone seeking tranquility away from the crowds. Next, explore Monte Sibillini National Park in the Marche region. Known as the Land of Legends, this park offers rolling meadows, rugged peaks, and the enchanting Piano Grande, a vast plain that bursts into a kaleidoscope of wildflowers each spring. Don't miss Castelluccio, a charming hilltop village offering panoramic views of this breathtaking spectacle. In northern Italy, discover Lago di Sorapis, a turquoise alpine lake nestled in the Dolomites. The hike to this hidden gem is challenging but rewarding, with views of jagged peaks and serene forests along the way. When you finally reach the lake, its otherworldly color will leave you speechless. Finally, venture to Valdorcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Tuscany. While famous for its picturesque cypress-lined roads and golden hills, the area also boasts hidden hot springs like Bani San Filippo. Here, you can soak in natural thermal pools surrounded by limestone formations, a perfect retreat for relaxation amidst Tuscany's timeless beauty. Italy's hidden natural wonders offer moments of pure magic, places where you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature's splendor. Italy is more than just a country. It's an endless journey of discovery where history, culture, and natural beauty come together to create an unforgettable experience. From the quiet hilltop villages of Tuscany to the dramatic cliffs of Sardinia, and from the hidden hot springs of Saturnia to the ornate mosaics of Ravenna, this is a land that invites you to uncover its secrets, one breathtaking moment at a time. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie in search of authentic flavors, Italy's hidden gems promise something extraordinary for everyone. It's a place where you can lose yourself in cobblestone streets, savor meals steeped in tradition, and create memories that will stay with you forever. Now it's your turn to explore the wonders of Italy. Which destination inspired you the most? Was it the quiet charm of Civita di Bagnoregio or the sparkling waters of Cala Golorizze? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about the places that sparked your curiosity. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who dream of discovering Italy's hidden treasures. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more adventures that uncover the world's most enchanting destinations. Thank you for joining us on this Italian adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let the beauty of the world inspire you. See you in the next video.